Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen bread. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the bread. We'll start with a large curve at the top here. Then for the ends, let's curve it down and in. And then one more curve at the bottom to close off the shape. And that's it for the shape of the body. Next, let's move in and draw the face. Inside on the left here, let's draw a rounded rectangle. And the same thing on the right and on the left. Now on either side, let's draw two bumps for the ears. Next, let's hop down and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve over to the left and over to the right. And now let's add the eyes with two circles. And now let's color them both in black. Next, let's hop over on the right side and let's draw two curves for the whiskers. And the same thing on the left side. And that's it for the face. Lastly, let's move up to the top and draw some details of the bread. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a wavy line over to the right. And then the same thing above it, coming to a point. And now let's do the same thing again to the right, but smaller. And that's it for this Pusheen bread. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!